Let's get straight to it. If you are buying a digital board today, chances are the dealer will tell you. Almost all boards are the same in the market these days. This might sound true, but is far from the reality. Hi, I'm Prasiddhi, and today in this video, I'll be telling you the difference between Teachment X and other digital boards available in the market. Most boards can let you write, and most boards can let you run videos. But the moment you start using it every day, the differences show up very fast, and that's what nobody prepares you for. Here's the first big difference that nobody talks about. In a typical classroom setting with a generic digital board, the teacher walks in and starts doing setup work. Logging in, finding files, opening one app to write, another one to present, and maybe another one later for quizzes and homework. None of this feels like a big problem, but it quietly eats into class time. More importantly, it breaks the teacher's rhythm. With Teachment X, the idea is very simple. When the teacher is ready, the classroom is ready. The system is designed around the teacher's profile, their previous classes, and their content. So the board does not feel like a device that you're operating, but something that's already been set up for you. That difference sounds small, but over hundreds of classes, it's massive. Now let's talk about teaching itself. Most digital boards treat teaching as just writing on the screen. Everything else, homework, revision, quizzes, assessments, is treated as something separate. So what usually happens is this. The teacher teaches on the board and then later sits down to recreate the same thing for homework, quizzes, and assessments. That duplication is exhausting. Teachment X is built around the idea that whatever happens during teaching should not be wasted. If something is explained on the board, that same content should naturally flow into quizzes, homework, assignments, and revision material. So instead of the teacher doing the same work twice, Teachment X carries it forward using our homework and quick quiz generator. This is one of the biggest reasons why teachers actually continue using the board instead of ignoring everything except the whiteboard. Now let's address AI, because this is where a lot of confusion exists. Most digital boards today advertise AI, but in practice, AI often sits behind buttons that teachers don't touch after the demo. Why? Because during a live class, teachers do not want to sit and think, now, how do I use this feature? Teachment X handles this differently. EduAI understands what's happening on the board, what's being written, and what is being taught, and offers help in that same context. So, EduAI does not feel like a separate tool. It feels like an assistant that's already been paying attention. That's why it gets used, not once, not twice, but regularly. Let's talk about reliability, because this is where trust is built or destroyed. In demos, almost every board feels smooth, but classrooms are not demos. Classes run back to back. Multiple features are used together, and there is no room for restarts or thoda slow ho gaya. Even a small lag, if it happens a few times, makes teachers hesitant. And once that hesitation sets in, the board slowly becomes something that teachers avoid relying on. Teachment X is built with the assumption that the board will be used continuously, without breaks. With the Arcade 3576, octa-core processor with dedicated NPU, which makes the AI tasks faster and smoother. The goal is to never interrupt teaching, because when teachers stop thinking whether the board will respond, that's when technology has done its job. Now comes the part that almost nobody talks about honestly. Training. Most digital boards come with training, but training usually means one fast session where everything is shown at once. Teachers see a lot, but they do not feel confident using much of it. After that, support drops off and teachers are expected to explore. In reality, most teachers won't explore something they're unsure about, especially in front of students. Teachment X treats training as an ongoing process. The focus is not on showing features, but helping teachers feel comfortable using the board naturally in their classes. With offline training available for schools and colleges, backed by the assurance of unlimited online training and refresher sessions. Over time, teachers start using more things, not because they were told to, but because they feel safe doing so. That's the difference between usage and adoption. Support, service, and warranty matter just as much as reliability, because even the best board might need help at rare instances. With many generic boards, support is often dealer dependent. Response times vary, escalations can take time, and service coverage becomes unclear once installation is done. Teachment is built for classroom urgency. You get an email response within 30 minutes or a direct call response within 30 seconds. 365 days a year. Service coverage is pan-India, spanning 19,000 plus PIN codes. So you are not stuck waiting because of location. And your investment is protected with a 3-year on-site warranty. Reliability is backed by real performance too. Only 2 in 1,000 devices need a service visit per month, with 96% excellent customer satisfaction, 85% first call resolutions, and 100% application uptime, which in practical terms means fewer disruptions and faster recovery when something does go wrong. Finally, let's talk about what happens 1 year down the line. Many digital boards are sold as one-time purchases. Once it's installed, the relationship ends. Software stays the same, practices don't evolve, and usage plateaus. Teachment X is designed to be part of the longer journey. It's a lifetime purchase, no tools hidden behind subscriptions, and the experience keeps on improving with time. Features keep getting refined, and AI capabilities keep getting smarter through regular updates. So you and your teachers don't get stuck with the same version you bought on day one. So when someone tells you all digital boards are the same, now you know the truth. The real differences don't show up in demos or spec sheets. They show up on a regular Tuesday, in the middle of a real class, when the teacher just wants things to work. That's where Teachment X separates itself, not by being louder, but by fitting into classrooms actually how teaching happens. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates.